guys, it's me, Jasmine. Thanks for joining me today. So today's video, we're going to focus on the infamous stocking cap method. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, this wig, this method, stay tuned. I'm going to talk about this whole infamous stocking mat. I can't even talk. I personally have like mixed views on it. Like, I don't really do it on my clients. I mean, I have done it before, but it's not like my go-to method. It's going crazy here on YouTube. A lot of people are really liking it. It really helps with lace frontal applications and lace wig applications. So you guys want to see it, I'm going to show you how I do it. The stocking cap method basically is a method that you can use when you're adhering down your wigs or laying your wigs down. It gives you a really natural look when you part through your wigs and whatnot, and it protects your edges, and that's what we all need, right? Listen, y'all, look at this. I just have them all. A lot of people like to go with caps that is close to their skin tone. You can go for a cap that's really light, and then you can put your foundation on top so that it blends. You can use pantyhose. Go to the store and get some pantyhose if you can get it around your head, because my hair is real big. Basically, you want to find a cap that is as close to your skin tone as possible. If you can't find one that's close, just get a nude cap and use your foundation. I'm not a huge fan of all the makeup, because if you don't wear makeup, then this just requires you to go out and buy makeup so that you can apply your wig, and that's just too much. So just try to find something that's really, really close to your skin tone. Get a pantyhose. That's probably your best bet. So that one's kind of too late. Have y'all seen my natural video? I big chop my hair. Look how long my hair is. Like, look at my braid. I look like Felicia off of Friday. This one right here is a pantyhose, and you can tell because a stocking cap is not as long as a pantyhose. See what I'm saying? Just got it. Cause it's tight. Like I said, if you can get it over your head. And then I have just this access right here. I'm just gonna tuck that under. Pull it all the way down. I'm gonna pull it down, but don't mess up your eyebrows if you got a full beat, okay? Because we spend too much time on the eyebrows. You're basically kind of creating like a bald cap, because when you put a wig on a bald head, all you see is scalp. So that's exactly what we're trying to do here with this stocking cap method. So you can use got to be glued. I have both, or you can use the freeze spray. I'm gonna be using the freeze spray because it's quicker. So we're gonna take this freeze spray, and I'm just gonna spray it on my hairline. Now, there is so many ways that y'all can do this. I've seen people use, like I said, the gel. I've seen people use actual adhesive that they're gonna be using to glue down their wigs. You can do that. There's so many different ways. Now give yourself some time to do this, y'all. This shit is a tedious process, okay? Take your blow dry and just make sure everything's set and dry. Now for me, you know, I just don't have time. I mean, there's a lot of things I could be doing around the house right now. So, if you ain't got time to sit here and hold a blow dryer, if you don't have a blow dryer, here is your solution. Tie this joker. Hold on, let's try that again. Here's your solution. And tie it down. Tie this mug down, okay? Get you a snack. Watch a little Netflix. Go mop the floor, wash the dishes. I'm getting dinner ready for my kids, so when they get out of school, they can eat and not get on my nerves. Alright, now, we're gonna take it off, and you're pretty much ready to go. I'm gonna cut behind that ear. You cut behind your ear so that it lays flat and it doesn't pull back. Because a lot of times when people do these stocking cap methods, y'all neglect this part right here. And that is like kind of the most important part. Alright, so you just cut just a little bit behind your ear, and then we're gonna just pull it forward like that. So now we don't have to worry about our flap showing. And just take your time cutting it. I like to use some really sharp scissors. These are actually like lash scissors. If you have a little bit of this rolling up, take some got to be glue right around the areas that it may roll up on. Put it right on top of it, you guys, like that. And then just take the back end of a comb and just press it forward so it lays flat. Now, you're done. And that's pretty much how you do the stocking cap method. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with a wig installed. I'm going to be installing one of my units that I created with RPGSHOW. Let's just take a look at my new baby right here. I've only been working on her since like the summer. I've been trying to come out with that really rich, coppery, reddish color. Like I've been trying to hit this color on point, so I'm really excited to show you guys and reveal this unit. This is pretty much what she looks like out of the packaging. I haven't done anything to her. This is what the curls look like. Because it's all the same color even at the roots, I did not need to bleach any knots or anything like that. This is what it looks like inside. I got the extended area where you can part your hair. It's about 6 inches of parting space down the middle, or if you want to do some side parts right here. The lace is transparent, so y'all know how I feel about transparent lace. Cause who look like Jessica Rabbit? Conte. Yeah. So now to lay my wig down, I'm going to be just using the Got To Be Glued in the yellow. Right where that cap is, you're just going to put it right on top. This completes the stocking cap method, you guys. I tried before, and I really wanted to put something different out for people who like to try color. If you guys want to see more of my units, and if you are interested in seeing this unit, be sure to check out the information box below. I will leave all the information as far as the links and how to find it. This unit is definitely ready to wear. Like I said, the lace is transparent, so I didn't have to bleach any knots. I didn't really have to plug anything. Yeah, she's looking good. So if you guys have any questions, as always, leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and make sure you check out the description box. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.